Discover how to transform your woodworking hobby into a lucrative business with simple, high-demand projects. The booming global market for handcrafted wooden items offers incredible opportunities for skilled woodworkers. Learn about easy-to-make projects with high profit margins that can kickstart your woodworking business. Uncover the secrets of creating and selling customized, high-end wooden pieces for discerning clients. Dive into the lucrative world of outdoor furniture, catering to cabin owners and nature enthusiasts. Master the art of selling your creations on popular online marketplaces and at local craft fairs. Harness the power of digital marketing to grow your woodworking brand and reach more customers. Learn to scale your business flexibly and manage costs effectively for maximum profit. Explore additional income streams through teaching workshops and collaborating on custom projects. Ready to start crafting your success? Click the link below for more resources.